Imagine walking into your office and finding out your new intern doesn't need a desk, lunch break, or even coffee. It's not a person, it's AI. From answering emails to creating presentations, analyzing data, and even automating entire workflows, AI is becoming a regular part of the workplace. It's fast, accurate, and doesn't complain. But here's the million-dollar question. Is it here to help or take over? Let's start with the intern side. AI can handle those repetitive, mind-numbing tasks no one really wants to do, like sorting through thousands of customer emails, flagging financial anomalies, or even transcribing meeting notes. It's a productivity boost like never before, freeing up real humans to focus on creative thinking, strategy, and problem solving. Think of it as your ultra-efficient sidekick. Quiet, fast, and always available. But here's the twist. What happens when AI starts doing the parts of your job you actually like? That marketing copy? Written in seconds. Financial models? Automated. Customer service? Replaced by bots. And suddenly, your helpful intern starts looking more like your replacement. With every task it masters, some people feel a little more obsolete. And that's where the evil overlord feeling creeps in. The truth? AI isn't good or bad. It's a tool. Like email or spreadsheets, it depends on how we use it. Businesses need to strike a balance, leveraging AI to increase productivity and upskill their teams, not just cut costs. The future of work isn't human versus machine. It's human with machine. So the next time AI finishes your task in 2 seconds, don't panic. Instead, ask, what can I now do that only I can do? That's the real power of having AI as your intern, not your overlord.